Hi, and welcome to these series of videos on how to assemble your new Bullitt. You can follow this playlist to see the tools that you need and how to assemble each part of your bike. So let's get started. Here are the tools needed to assemble your 5-speed eBullitt. The hex keys needed are a 2mm hex key, a 2.5mm hex key, a 3mm hex key, a 4mm hex key, a 5mm hex key, and a 6mm hex key. The spanners needed are a 19mm spanner, two 17mm spanners, a 15mm spanner, two 13mm spanners, and a 10mm spanner. You will also need torque wrenches between 1 to 50 Nm and attachments for all the mentioned hex key sizes and any adapters needed for those attachments. Other tools needed are a Shimano lock ring tool, TL-FC430 with TL-FC33, and a torque wrench socket attachment. A Shimano Di2 cable tool, TL-EW300. A bottom bracket cup tool, TL-FC36. A gate spring tension tester, CDTSTTAM. A crankcap installation tool, TL-FC16. Cross-headed screwdrivers, size PH1 and PH2. Cutting pliers, zip ties, high-performance grease, a rag, hand sanitizer or rubbing alcohol for bikes with silicone grips, and a track pump.